Welcome to the course Operation and Planning of Power Distribution Systems. The power system is one of the most complex system which operated and maintained by human being. It consists of three important building blocks. One is power generation, next is power transmission, and finally power distribution. So, power generation normally takes place in power plant, and the conventional power plants in India are mostly thermal power plant. Therefore, they are located far away from the localities where human live. So, therefore, in order to bring power from those generating station, we need power transmission. Okay. So, power transmission is mainly used to evacuate power from the generating station to the load centers where the customers live. Okay. Now, power distribution system is the next part, which is similar to power delivery system, which is used for delivering power to the customers. Okay. So, this course is all about power distribution system. Okay. This course is all about power distribution system, and this course is essentially having 8 modules. Okay. So, the module 1 I will start with basic idea of load modeling. Okay. What is the concept of electrical load and how do we model, those things will be discussed. The next module I will discuss the basic operational features of power distribution networks. Each and every component of power distribution networks will be discussed in detail, and how a power distribution network works, what are the factors important for the operation and also planning for power distribution system, those things I will discuss in module 2. In the next module, which is another important module, I will discuss about the reliability assessment of power distribution networks, because you know that we are all electrical customers and our goal is to have uninterruptible power supply with the cheapest possible rate. So, in order to ensure that the electric utility who delivers power to us, they need certain reliability analysis or reliability assessment. So, those things I will discuss in module 3. Okay. In the next module, I will talk about an important subroutine of analyzing this power distribution network, that is power flow analysis or load flow analysis. Okay. So, this is an important building block for developing any sort of planning tools or analytical tools in power distribution network. So, those things we will discuss in detail in module 4. In the next module, I will give you the basic idea behind the power distribution system planning. Okay. And power distribution system planning is essentially a research area in which hundreds of people across the globe are working. Okay. And we have a very voluminous literature on power distribution system planning. So, in that particular module, I will basically discuss the state of the art research which are taking place on power distribution system planning. Then in the next module, I will discuss reactive power compensation of power distribution network, and final 2 modules I will discuss the latest upgradation of power distribution networks. One is inclusion of distributed generation. Okay. So, we all know that the government now in a integration of renewable energy sources to our conventional system. Okay. And photovoltaic system is one of the renewable energy sources which are normally located at the rooftop, and they are directly integrated to the power distribution network. So, those things I will discuss in this module, and what sort of infrastructure changes required to integrate those distributed generating systems in distribution network, those things I will discuss in the particular module. And in final module, I will discuss some sort of upgradation or automation technologies which we need to use to convert the traditional power distribution network to a better power distribution network, which normally named as smart grid. Okay. So, this is roughly the course content. Okay. Now, next I will discuss that for whom this course is formulated. This course is normally formulated for postgraduate students who will be initiating research on power distribution system. Okay. So, this course will be useful for them, but apart from that we have a large number of practicing engineers who work in power distribution networks. For them also it would be beneficial to know the latest trend of the research of power distribution networks, to understand the different aspects of power distribution network, and also for understanding the basic tools which we use for power distribution networks. Okay. So, this is all about this course of power distribution system, operation and planning. Thank you.